Tilt the unit on its back. First place your foot on the bottom edge of the unit. Then grab the top and pull the unit towards you. Next, grab the power cable so it doesn't get stuck under the unit. Be careful not to crush your fingers. With the door facing you, open it and remove the 12 screws from the inside of the door with a screwdriver or drill. Once the screws are removed, take the old door panel off. Now grab the new door panel and place it on top on the unit. Make sure the door latch fits into place. Open the door and carefully secure the panel with the 12 screws. Close the door and make sure everything lines up. Tilt the unit so it's standing right side up.